At Pioneer Glass, you will find high-quality shower enclosures and doors professionally installed with minimal disruption to your home. Our team will help you with expert advice and make your shower glass buying an easy and enjoyable experience. Shower glass is one of the hottest upgrades for your home. Pioneer Glass can help you make a dramatic statement in your bathroom with clean and sleek shower glass. We'll fuse your ideas with our expertise into a shower enclosure made just for you. Choose from 3 basic types of enclosures: frameless, semi-framed, and framed. The frameless enclosure is top of the line and the most popular choice. This ultra-clean line construction eliminates framework and is built with strong, thick glass. It's the easiest to clean and stays clean with minimal areas for water to collect. Plus, it looks beautiful. Our semi-frameless enclosure offers an elegant frameless door with minimal structural framing around the rest at a lower price point than frameless. Framed enclosures surround each piece of glass with sturdy metal framing, providing maximum stability and making the most use of the available space in this bathroom. All 3 types of enclosures can be made to fit the traditional shower enclosures, tub enclosures, and corner showers. Thinner glass can be used in semi-frameless and framed enclosures, allowing for substantial savings. We offer a wide variety of different hinges and a wide variety of finishes. We can provide a custom mirror using the exact finish of your shower trim. Customize your shower enclosure by selecting a different style glass from our enormous shower glass gallery. Among the more popular choices are low iron glass, made crystal clear to show the beauty of your tile or marble inside. Clear glass, as you know, has a green tint. Low iron glass will really make your shower design come to life. Etching is the process of a design embedded into the glass to create an engraving. The most popular application is a privacy band to obscure the middle part of the enclosure. People also will add decorative patterns to add flair or complement other design elements in the bathroom. Acid wash, which you may know as frosted, offers even more privacy and is just one of many different types of pattern glass you can use in your shower. No matter what look you want, you can rely on Pioneer Glass for a quality job from start to finish. Accommodating budgets of all sizes, we do more than just sell and install shower glass. As you design your dream shower experience, we'll support you along the way with helpful and expert advice on glass, style, finish, colors, and more. We'll handle the installation for a worry-free process. Stop by so we can ensure that you'll get the shower of your dreams.
Pioneer Glass, the look you want with the help you need.